Hi there. In this video, we want to show how to use the VLOOKUP function to get values from a data set. So this is the data set we are going to be working with. And we need to get the country from the distributor IDs here present. The VLOOKUP uses 4 parameters while looking up. And V here stands for vertical, so that is vertical lookup. So to look up countries with these IDs, we'll type equal to VLOOKUP. Then we select our lookup value, comma. Now we need the table array, so we go back to the data set, and then from the distributor ID, which is what the two data sets have in common, we will try to get the lookup number, which in this case is 3, and that is the third column from the reference point, which in this case is our distributor ID. So you put a comma in the formula bar, add 3, which is the column index number, then you put a comma, which is asking you if you want an approximate match or an exact match. You don't really have to use an approximate match, you have to sort the table array in ascending order before you can use the approximate match. So we go ahead to type false, or we can also type a 0 instead, because 1 is true and false is 0. We close the bracket and click on enter. So here we have that we can see that distributor ID 2249 is in the country Brazil. So to get the rest of the information for other countries, we'll use the fill button by double clicking, and then now we've gotten other countries for the other IDs. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next one.